On behalf of Star Cement, Department of CSR, I extend my sincere thanks to all the officials and doctors from Jowai Blood Bank, and as well as also I like to thank to our donors also who have donated their blood for this noble cause. And for the Star Cement, it's not the first time that we are having this kind of activity. And prior to 2 years back also we are having the same activity, and we are regularly donating blood for our strength into the blood treasury of our blood bank in Jowai. And this activity will be continued for next year also, and we assume that by this contribution we are able to attract people of the district and the people of the Jingíaroh Hills. Thank you.
See you once again. Thank you to the Star Cement and to the CSR Department of Star Cement in particular. Your contribution to the blood center of Jowai Civil Hospital is enormous, and I am very happy to be standing here to tell you that the blood transfusion, the State Blood Transfusion Council Meghalaya Shillong also acknowledges your contribution towards our blood bank, and I have one memento from their side, and I'm very happy to be standing here on their behalf to present this memento to you to say thank you so much. So I would like to call our representative from the CSR department, that is Mr. Kinchok himself, to accept this small appreciation from the State Blood Transfusion Council Meghalaya.